Okurwana semhondano y'amataka omu kyanga kya Rwenzori bugambirwa Ministry y'amataka babiri nibatongoza Land Awareness Week kandi emikorekorirwe ahari Kasese Multipurpose Hall omuri Nyamwamba Division Kasese Municipality.
I want to assure you that land is a problem in the whole region. This is true. And one other challenge, I'm happy that we have our Lordship, the judge, that land cases in this region are a major challenge. They don't take less than 10 years to be resolved. And what happened? Those who are defranchised of their land, they keep in court for decades and they don't get redress.
There is encroachment of the breed belts where the Abikayogwe pass. There is encroachment, and I'm told you are giving titles on the green what? Belts that are supposed to be protected. It is an issue. Pelham and others, not that so that we can look for a solution.
Of government owning so many chunks of land, especially here in Kasese, Rwenzori National Park in the mountain, Queen Elizabeth Conservation Area in the lowlands, Chivale National Park Arara side, and we are left with small portion. We have the forest reserve, we have the prisons, we have UPDF farm. We are not saying this is bad, but we are saying on the side of the local population, you find them squeezed in a small corridor.
Abebembezi nibajyangwe emhondano y'amataka neyongera omu kyanga kya Rwenzori kandi bajyangwe komokireho n'obwitane.
And I'm happy the RDCs in charge of security are here, that most of the conflicts we have, apart from domestic violence, the other one is land-related conflicts. They are the majority here. People are killing each other, and it is a very, 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 very big problem.
Ebyapa byafuluma ebyenkoko ne kabuke kati ebyapa byafuluma ne bireta kwatirako omusolo nga munene nnyo ng'omwana yinki tasobola kukusasula ne njogerako ne mpandikira Uganda Land Commission yawandikira Attorney General n'awandiika kati kiri mu Uganda Land Commission bagenda kujjako omusolo gwo abanayinzi babaleetera ebyapa byabwe.
Let us also identify the landless people. This is our country. These are Ugandans who also need to be resettled. If they have no land, let us appreciate that they have no land. If anything, I would like to call upon our district chairperson is here. Why don't you register these people and understand them? Why don't you listen to them? And if you see that indeed they have no land.
Abebembezi bahiriye kwetombwita kandi aba ministry babaraganise ngo enshonga zabo nizija kukorwaho. Omuganda ori state minister y'amataka n'entunguka y'endembo Harriet Ntabazi arabwira abegariza amataka ga government ompenda biragiro ngo bagaruje waho naho. Minister najang ministry y'amataka neza kuhandika no kore byapa buritaka rya government kwetorora ihanga ryona kandi omurimo gunuguza korwa mbwire bw'emyaka 5 yonka.
Amataka government itaka ryone rya Uganda. Government ineho obuchweka 23 niritaka ya government onka neritaka ryone rya government ko kurikora mu 10 no shanga obuchweka 26 bwonka ngo buri bine record bine bihandi so eri asigara ryone abantu nibariyekoreraho ebintu batakuriteka mu kitimisa so cyaretereza abantu kuriba cyaretereza abantu kuristamaho batikirizibwe bacyaretereza abantu kurikoraho ebintu kuriguza kandi ritari ryabo.
Eki ni kiha kutuyamba munonga nkoku yatshobora kugira ngo twabantu gabana aha keki yihanga twenda kombe kishomero seed school umurumbarira city tugitengaye cyarwa Buganda seed school ekire kuba neza tugite ahampa yabari irwaro kire kubantu rutamanyu
bigambirwa mu rukiko rutebekanishijwe ministry y'amataka n'entunguka y'endembo kandi rubira hotel Triangle aho muri Mbarara.
Iwe ko kuba no manyangori land officer ori registrar o land office ori surveyor ori tino okoro ministry of lands where am steering kandi no kore ibintu by'amanyanga iwe batakambingira muri nimba nakubingira.
This land which we call government land is our land for generations to come. When it is forestry land, whether it is national park, whether it is a wetland, it is reserved for us, our future generation.
ahitaka rya gavumenti ryaine kwetorora ihanga ryona obucweka 26 arigana nryo ryonka riine ebihandiiko kandi biliyoni 6 zishobozibwe kutandika kuhandika amataka gona ga gavumenti. Ndi Anita Tukunda na Gilbert Mhanguzi.